Hey, what's up, family? Y'all already see the vibes are different right now. I lost my memory card, so all the footage that I had recorded for y'all, it's literally in the wind, bro. Like, it's all gone. I don't know where the fuck my memory card went. I low-key went to my mom's crib to work on some shit, and I brought my memory card because I had some designs on there, bro. I think my dog ate it. I'm not even gonna say no more, but we got the replacement right here, and I was waiting for the video to open it. I literally got this 2 days ago, but I had a 6-day work week, so I haven't really been focusing too much on the tube, but it's over, bro. We back, feel me? We got the thing in here. This is exactly what we needed. The micro SD, I got a 256. There was a lot of footage that I low-key lost. Brand deals were in there, a lot of shit that I now have to re-record, and it sucks, but we back, and I'm not gonna take this shit for granted. I'm about to start going hard again. Let me open this shit up. We gonna hop on the camera, and I'm gonna show y'all my current sneaker rotation, some of the heat that I've been wearing throughout this little bit of spring we had so far. There is gonna be more to come. I'm probably gonna do one of these monthly or every other month just to show y'all what I've been keeping on the feet. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments if this sneaker rotation is ass or fire after y'all see the whole thing. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells, roll to 20K. With all that being said, let's get straight to it. This isn't in any specific order. I'm gonna just show y'all what comes to my head in whatever order it comes to my head in. Obviously, first we gotta go with the Jordan 1 years. I decided to wear these on Easter because it's mainly a white sneaker, so it looks clean with the fits. I low-key took some pictures with my girl. I might put one up here for y'all, but yeah, I had to wear these. I feel like this is a sneaker that through time is gonna go up in value, so if you're looking to get these, I definitely recommend to scoop them up now before it's too late. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, these are a must cop. Like, do not sleep on the Jordan 1s. That cracked leather, I understand, bro, but don't sleep on these. This is a must cop. Honestly, not a bad Jordan 1. I'm feeling this one, and I decided to wear them with the cream laces. I feel like they just look a little simpler with the cream laces, but you can also do the burgundy and they look clean as well. First up, we had the Jordan 1s. Yes, sir, I had to do it to them with the Concords. The other day, I actually wore these to the mall. It's been a minute since I wore them, but I had to. Y'all can see my shits ain't too beat at the bottom. Thankfully, I low-key have tried to preserve these because I know how much I wanted these. So I'm not just pulling these out all the time, but I was definitely styling these hoes at Uniqlo. Are y'all still rocking with 11s? Let me know in the comments if it's a sneaker that you go to or you just pass on release. For me, there's still some colors that are important. I got these and a couple other ones, but second up was the Concord Jordan 11s. Do you guys have a pair of 11s in your collection? I feel like if you're an OG sneakerhead, you have a pair of 11s in your collection. These Supreme Vans low-key became my go-tos when I'm going to the post office or some shit. I'm pulling these out. Some sweats, go to Target real quick, we sliding. These are sliding in Vans, bro. Like, I wear these bitches on a little casual, just trying to step out in some sweats, cozy vibe. That's what I'm rocking right here. These do have the Vans cushion on the inside, which does make them more comfortable than the regular Vans. Shout out to Supreme on these. They low-key did their thing. These are probably some of my favorite Vans that Supreme has done, at least in recent years. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on these, and I've been pulling these out. Pretty solid pair of sneakers, kind of like a everyday fit type shit. A couple weeks ago, I pulled out the fire red Jordan 4s. I pulled these out when I went on a little lunch date or whatever, you feel me? I feel like these are a banger sneaker. Honestly, bro, I was debating on selling these shits. Thankfully, I was convinced not to by my girl's sister. Thank God I listened to her, bro, because honestly, I would have regretted selling these shits. Jordan 4s are clean, and I was gonna sell them because I had the motorsports, which I sold. I low-key pulled these out on a little dinner date. I felt like it was appropriate for the situation. It was at the beginning of spring, so I'm like, yo, let me pull out a little white sneaker for the occasion. And there's actually a picture on Instagram of me rocking these with a fit. Go ahead and check that out. Come on, bro, don't waste no time. Like, there's no time to be wasted, bro. Yeah, bang, fire. Let me know in the comments if y'all freaking with the fire red 4s or do y'all not fuck with these. I feel like it's a iconic sneaker. This next sneaker is beautiful, bro. I don't know why these shits are still not reselling for the prices that they deserve. It's an Air Force One. This is the Popcorn collaboration. As y'all can see on the insole, they have the Popcorn movie theater font on the back. These have like that buttery color, literally like a really light coconut milk yellow. They look so clean. clean, bro. The details on these, it's literally everything. Leather quality is crazy on these shits. Look at the insole with the popcorn in it, bro. You even got the popcorn bag stripes on the front. Like, come on. Impeccable pair of sneakers. Honestly, these are staying in my collection forever. I love how these look. I've low-key worn these a couple times at this point, and I feel like you just can't go wrong with the little Air Force One. Almost looks like a white on white, but realistically it's not, bro. It has a little bit more tone to it. Definitely a clean summertime, springtime sneaker. Let me know how y'all feeling about the popcorn Air Force Ones. These shits is clean. They even released a blazer in this same style. Fire, bro. I know this does not matter, but they even come with the fucking popcorn hang tag. Come on, bro. Need I say more? The next sneaker on my list, I've been having trouble pulling out low-key, and it's cause it's so bulky, bro. Like, these shits is low-key kind of hard to wear, and it's the Flint 13s. These shits go hard though, don't get it twisted. Iconic colorway. I remember seeing these shits all the time growing up, but I don't know why recently when I try to wear these with fits, they don't work as well as I plan it in my head, if that makes sense. But yesterday I went to Mom Duke's crib and I'm like, bro, let me just wear these shits, fuck it, with some sweats. Can't do no harm, literally. I just threw on some gray sweats and called it a day. I feel like this is one of the more comfortable Jordans. Not saying these shits are the best by any means, because J's is just not the most comfortable thing to wear, but these are decent, bro. Flint 13s did get rocked yesterday. Let me know if y'all like 13s in general. I know this is one of the more slept on designs from Jordan. This next sneaker is probably my favorite on this list simply because of comfortability, versatility, and what you could wear these with. I went to the park and wore the Prestos. I took a nice little walk with Bae. Feel me? I decided to freak the Prestos. I low-key took a picture in these, which is gonna be on Instagram soon. I'll flash it for y'all. Boom, right there. It's gonna be up soon. Go show some love once it drops, but decided to wear these to the park. Clean pair of shoes. This is a pair of sneakers that I wanted since forever. I wanted the OGs. That ain't pan out too well, but I decided to get these and I love them, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I have to clean these shits because I know that they're gonna keep going up, and chances of me getting these ever again is slim to probably not gonna happen. So I gotta make sure these are maintained. Low-key, after this video, I'm gonna leave these out so I can clean them, because that day I took a nice little walk and it rained on me, bruh. So, hey, I gotta TLC these hoes. But yeah, off-white Prestos had to be on this list, bro. This is gonna forever be worn in my collection. One of my hype sneakers that I actually do wear more often would be the Prestos. The last sneaker on this list is the Old Reliables, bro. Like, you definitely cannot go wrong with some Shadow Jordan 1s, baby. I wore these shits probably like 3 times, more than any of the other sneakers on this list. I've been loving these lately. Low-key, I'm probably gonna wear these shits the next time I go outside. I love me some Jordan 1s, and I definitely love me some Shadow Jordan 1s. It's something about the tone of gray with the black on this. It's just perfect, bro. You can wear these shits with damn near everything. I can wear these with what I got on right now, and I'm pretty sure I could say that every time I try to film this video, because it doesn't matter what you wear with these hoes. It just works. It's gray and black, literally monotone, goes with everything. I love my Shadows. Low-key, another pair that I just want to clean just to make sure that they are, you feel me? Like, I just want to make sure y'all good. Yeah. Hey, leave a like on this video if y'all enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel. I promise y'all there's more content coming. We about to go so hard, bro. I'm gonna go live one of these days and just talk to y'all for a little bit, kind of see what direction we about to head in. But yeah, man, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.